friends like calling you out of nowhere. The minute you want to do a video and they want to call you. Like, you guys like my makeup right now? I did pretty good today. Time I'm not actually going out, that's when my makeup gonna look really good. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've been gone for the longest. I do want to explain. I will upload another video on that. For today, this is something that I always wanted to do, film a room tour. I was kind of like scared to do it, but besides of me really into makeup in the beauty industry, and I'm so obsessed with decors. I love a nice room. I love it, like, this is really something that I worked hard for like 2 years, saved up a lot of money, and my room is so simple, very small, so there's really not that much here. And I'm really happy and I'm grateful that I was able to like get my room look like this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, comment, let me know what y'all want to see later on. If you need help, my camera's about to die, so I hope you guys enjoy this room tour.